Good morning students. You all are welcome to today's online class. In the previous class you learned the chapter 3 algebra. Today I am going to start the lesson 5 coordinate geometry. Today I am going to start lesson 5 coordinate geometry. So you have to take new note. Okay? You have to take new note. So in this coordinate geometry, first we are going to study the formulas. Okay, first we are going to study the important formulas. So first one is distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. 2 points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, when you have to use this formula, 2 points will be given, and if they ask to find the distance between that 2 points, we have to use the formula D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so next formula is midpoint of the line segments. Midpoint of the line segments. Midpoint of the line segments. Midpoint of the line segment. Midpoint of the line segments. A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, when we have to use this formula, no, 2 points will be given, and if they asked to find the midpoint of these 2 points, you have to use the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Next, third formula is section formula. Section formula. Section formula, we have 2 formula. In the section formula, we have 2 formula. First one is internal division. Internal division. First one is internal division. The 2 points A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2 divides the line segment. Internally in the ratio m is to n, then the coordinates are P of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so here 2 points will be given as well as ratio will be given, and if they asked internally, we have to use this plus formula, that is P of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n formula. Okay, in the same way we have external division also. Okay, external division. Here the 2 points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2, divides the line segment external. In the previous internally we have. Next externally. Okay, externally in the ratio m is to n. Then the coordinates are P of, here externally means that point will be, that coordinates will be out of the line segment. So the sign will be opposite. So in place of plus we have to give minus. Okay, that is the difference. Internally means plus, that coordinate will come inside the line segment. Externally means that coordinate will come outside the line segment. So we have to use the minus formula. So P of mx2 minus nx1 by, denominator also instead of plus we have to give minus only, m minus n, comma, here my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Okay, so internally means you have to use this formula, P of mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Externally they asked is two coordinates as well as m is to n ratio, and if they asked externally means we have to use the formula mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Next we are going to study the next formula, centered of the triangle. Fourth formula, centered of the triangle. Centered of the triangle. What is meant by centroid? No? Centroid is the point of contact of three medians of the triangle. Centroid is the point of contact of three medians of the triangle. Okay, let us consider three vertices ABC of triangle ABC. A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2, C of x3 y3 are three vertices of the triangle ABC. Then we have the formula, centroid of the triangle with vertices A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 and C of x3 comma y3 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, so then you have to use this formula now. Then you have to use this three formula, three vertices given, and if they ask to find the centroid of the triangle, you have to use the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Next we are going to study the formula area of triangle. Formula 5, area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC, if we consider A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2, C of x3 y3, we have the area of triangle formula. Area of triangle ABC equal to half into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1. See here, first if you start x1 y term, y2 will come, the next term 2x2 here, y3 here 2 after 3. So y term orderly, x term orderly will come x1, x2, x3. Y term first here 2 we started, so here y3, after that 3 after 1 like that. Then minus formula minus this one. Then here first x1 started, so x2 will come. Here y2 started, y1, so we have to take x2 y1 plus 2 after 3, so x3 y2 plus, then here 2 3 over, then x1 y2, okay, and unit must write square units, square units, okay. What is the formula? Area of triangle ABC equal to half into x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus of x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3 square units. Okay, this formula easily, by if we use the pictorial form, easily we can learn. Okay, let us use the pictorial form. What is the pictorial form now? Half into, here 3 vertices we have x1, x2, x3. So that one by one write x1, x2, x3. Again once again this first vertice is x1. Like that y coordinates also. y1, y2, y3, y1. Okay. Now we have to multiply. First all these 3 terms x1, y2, x2, y3, x3, y1. Okay, see here 1 by 2 into x1 y2, that only x1 y2, x1 into y2, then plus next term x2 into y3, that only x2 into y3, next third term x3 into y1, x3 into y1, then close the bracket, then formula minus, after that these 3 terms y1 x2 plus y2 x3 plus y3 x1. See here y1 x2 means x2 into y1, x2 into y1, then plus next term x3 into y2, x3 into y2, again plus next term x1 into y3. So if you use this pictorial form, that is easily you can learn. Okay, now let us do one problem, that is example 5.1, page number 205. Write the question all. Example 5.1. Find the area of the triangle. Example 5.1. Write the question along with me. Find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 3, 5, 5, 6 and 5, minus 2 and 5, minus 2. So here 3 vertices given and they asked to find the area of the triangle. So we have the formula, by that we can find out the area of these 3 given points. So before that we have to plot the points in rough diagram. Okay, let us plot the given points in rough diagram. Okay, let us plot the given points in rough diagram. So x dash, here also y dash. Center will be origin O of 0, 0. The next value is orderly, write the approximately split the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Same way x dash negative values -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. And y value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down -1, -2, -3, etc. etc. Let us plot the points now. First point is -3, 5. So -3 correspondingly 5. -3, 5 means x value -3, y value 5. So x value minus 3, corresponding y value here it is. So x corresponding y we have to plot that point will be minus 3 comma 5. Minus 3 comma 5. First point over. The next point 5 comma 6. 5 comma 6. X value 5, y value 6. So 5 corresponding y value 6. We have to plot 5 corresponding 6 here it is. So we have to plot it and nearest to that we have to write the number 5 comma 6. 5 comma 6. Next third point 5 comma minus 2. So x value 5, y value minus 2. So down it will come. 5 correspondingly minus 2. So x value positive, y negative means it will come in the fourth quadrant. So 5 correspondingly minus 2. 5 correspondingly minus 2. Here it will come. So 5 comma minus 2. After plotting these points, we have to join the 3 points. Okay. Join the 3 points, we get a triangle. So after joining, we have to name the triangle anti-clockwise, means counter-clockwise. Clockwise we should not name. Why no? That area will be positive only, it won't be negative. So if you name clockwise means sometimes you may get negative value. So anti-clockwise or counter-clockwise only we have to name it. So if we start A here, B should come here. B, C like this. Otherwise if you start the A here, A, B, C like that you can take. Anyway you can. If you start the A here, A, B, C like that anti-clockwise you have to take. Otherwise counter-clockwise you have to take. Understood? So now A, B, C we have. So now we have to write. Now we can give the name for the triangle. We have given A, B, C. So this order we can take. So now the vertices are A of minus 3 comma 5 and B of 5 comma minus 2 and C of 5 comma 6 taken in order. Taken in counter-clockwise order. Clockwise order. Next formula I have to write. Area of triangle ABC equal to this formula we have to write here. After that all the values separately want to take and write. First A coordinate take it. This one x1, y1. X, y value. So that we have to consider x1, y1. Here x1 is equal to minus 3, comma y1 is equal to 5. And x2 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to minus 2. x3 equal to this one 5 and y3 is equal to 6. All these values what to substitute in this formula. Okay, that is equal to half into x1 y2. We have x1 is minus 3 into y2 value we have minus 2. So minus 2. Then formula we have plus. So plus. Next x2 y3. x2 is here 5 into y3 is 6. Then again formula plus is there. So next x3 y1. x3 value is 5 into y1 value is 5. Then close the bracket. Then minus. In formula we have minus. So minus we got right. Again bracket is there. So then next x2 y1. x2 5 into y1 we have 5. Then formula there is a plus. So that plus we have right. Then x3 y2. x3 is 5 into y2 is minus 2. Again we have plus is in their formula. So x1 y3 next. x1 is minus 3 into y3 we have 6. Okay, then close the bracket. Which is equal to half into all the values want to multiply and want to add. So here two values are there, both also minus. So minus and minus if we multiply we get plus. Minus into minus plus. So 3 2s are 6. Then plus is there. Then the next 5 into 6 30. We have 5 6 are 30. Plus here 5 and 5. 5 into 5 we have 25. Then close the bracket. Then formula there is a minus. Then bracket is there 5 5s are 25. Here 5 into minus 2. means minus 10, then plus minus 3 into 6 we have minus 18. Close the bracket, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, now these three terms are in plus, so add and put the plus sign. So 30 plus 6, 36, 36 plus 25, 61. And formula minus is there, put the minus, then bracket 25. Here this both values are negative, minus, both add and put the same sign. Okay, when we add two minus sign, we get the minus sign only. When we multiply two minus sign, we get the plus sign. So here both the addition, so minus and minus, when we are adding, again we are getting the minus sign only. So minus 10, minus 18, we get minus 28. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into 61 minus 25 minus 28. We get minus 3. Okay. Now here 2 minus coming together. So minus into minus become plus, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 61 minus into minus plus, so plus 3, which is equal to 61 by 2 into 64. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into 64. If it is possible to cancel, we can cancel that. So 2 table we can use. So 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 32. So with the unit we have to write 32 square units. Square units. So we have the homework one question. The same way you can do easily. Note the homework question. It is page number 208, exercise 5.1. First question. Exercise 5.1. First question. Find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formed by the points. First one, 1 comma minus 1, minus 4 comma 6, and minus 3 comma minus 5. Second question, minus 10 comma minus 4, and minus 8 comma minus 1, and minus 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 3. Okay, same way you have to do. So the same formula, first you have to plot the points in the given order. So after that you have to use the formula. Okay, this is the same formula, you can use it, both very simple only, completed. Okay, thank you students.